Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain you exercise 2.2 from question number 1 only. ठीक है? So we have studied in previous video how to find in annuity immediate and annuity due, present value, accumulated value. ठीक है, दोनों चीज़ें कैसे फाइंड करना है I already explained to you the formula how to find it. Now we'll apply those formulas. ठीक है, and I have explained to you the relation also among A, P and C. Okay, what is given in question number 1? Find the accumulated, in bracket it is given future value. So either accumulated will be given or future, you have to understand that you have to find A. Okay, annuity of rupees 800, annuity of rupees 800, that means this is cash flow. Okay, I have explained to you what is annuity. Annuity means हर जो regular interval of time में जो payment की जाती है, that is annuity. So it is cash flow of rupees 800. So C you can write that is rupees 800. Okay, then for 3 years at interest rate 8% compounded annually ही है. ठीक है, हर एक साल में एक बार ही वो कैलकुलेट कर रहा है. And for 3 years, so n will be 3 years and rate is 8%. So what will be I? You can calculate here I said that R upon 100. So it will be 8 upon 100, that is 0.08. This is I. Okay, this is C and this is A. These three things you need for finding A. So the formula I am writing now again, that is C upon I into 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. This is the formula for accumulated value. Okay. Now just write down the things whatever is given. C is 800 upon 0.08. Okay, that is I. 1 plus 0.08 to the power 3 minus 1. Okay, because n is given to you 3, 1 will remain as it is. C is 800 and I is 0.08. Okay, now just calculate it. 800 upon 0.08, that will be 10,000. Okay, then 1.08 to the power 3. In question it will be given to you, that is 1.0. Whatever power will be there, the value will be given to you. Like it in this question it is given 1.08 to the power 3 is equals to 1.2597. Okay, I am writing here. So it is 10,000 into 1.2597 minus 1. Okay, so 10,000 into 1.2597 minus 1 will be 0.2597. So your A will be 10,000 into 0.2597 will be 2597 only. So this is what A, accumulated value. Okay, that is 2597. ठीक है. हाँ, हम आंसर को थोड़ा सा एज्यूम कर सकते, लाइक बैक मे बी इट इज गिवन रॉन्ग. हाँ, लाइक 800 था, 800 3 साल तक पे किया जा रहा है, तो इट बिकम्स 2400. ओके, इट बिकम्स 2400. डायरेक्टली विल सी 800 into 3, इट बिकम्स 2400. अब यहाँ इंटरेस्ट ऑब्वियसली लगेगा, सो इट विल बी मोर देन 2400. ओके, इंटरेस्ट रेट इज 8%, सो द नियर अबाउट वैल्यू इज देयर 2597. Okay, this is how you have to find the accumulated value. Okay, just have a look, then I am explaining question number 2. Now question number 2, what is given? A person invested 5,000 every year in finance company. He is investing 5,000 every year. Okay, that means 5,000 is again cash flow. Offered him interest compounded at 10% per annum, that is 10%. Okay, so I am just writing here question number 2. C is what? 5,000 every year. So C is here 5,000. Okay, what is I is 10%, so that will be 10%. Now first of all see whether it is compounded annually or not. So it is given that what is the amount accumulated after 4 years, and it is given that 10% per annum every year. मतलब हर साल का ही है, accumulated every year. Okay, so there will be no difference. So 10 upon 100, that is 0.1, and here it is accumulated for 4 years, so n becomes 4. Okay, everything will be same. So here now formula will be same only. Now you just have to write down these amount different. So C, that is 5000 upon I, that is 0.1. 1 plus 0.1 to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, so here 5000 upon 0.1, that will be 50,000. Then 1.1 to the power 4 minus 1. Now again 1.1 to the power 4 is given to you in the question only. No need to calculate it. 1.1 to the power 4 is given 1.4641 minus 1. ठीक है, so 50,000 into 0.4641. Okay, so this will be 50,000 into 0.4641 is 23205. This is what A. 23,205 is your accumulated value. Okay, sorry. So this is what your accumulated value. This is how you have to find. It is same as question number 1 only, no difference. Okay, so just have a look. Now we'll move to question number 3. What is given in question number 3? Find the amount accumulated after 2 years. That means in years it is given 2. If a sum of rupees 24,000 is invested every 6 months. That means now the interest is calculated for every 6 months and the payment is made after every 6 months. Okay, so it means first of all what is C? 24,000. It is invested 24,000, so this will be 24,000. Now N will be, it is given for 2 years but the payment is made 6 monthly. ठीक है, तो जब भी ऐसा होगा 6 monthly या quarterly, so 6 months means in a year 2 times. So you have to multiply years, like 2 into 2, that is 4 half years it will be. So you have to multiply the time by that many number of times जितने बार वो इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट कर रहा है, जितने बार वो पेमेंट कर रहा है. लाइक साल में अगर 4 बार कर रहा है तो जितना भी ईयर्स में दिया उसको इंटू 4 कर दो. साल में 2 बार कर रहा है तो जितना भी ईयर्स में दिया उसको इंटू 2 कर दो. ओके, लाइक दिस. So 4 half years it becomes. And now what is the rate given to you? Rate is given 12% per annum. Here also you have to pay attention. Per annum means this rate is for 1 year, but the payment is made half yearly and the interest is also calculated half yearly. So first of all here you have to divide this 12 by 2. Okay, because this is per annum and you have to calculate 6 monthly. So divided by 2. जैसे यहाँ हम multiply करते हैं 2 से, so उससे ही हमें यहाँ पर rate के लिए divide करना है. Okay, so this becomes 6% half yearly again. So I will be 6 upon 100, that is 0.06. Okay, now what you have to find again? Find the amount accumulated. That means again A you have to find. So formula will be same only. Now here only the values will be different. So C, that is 24,000 upon I, that is 0.06. 1 plus 0.06 to the power n. N means 4 minus 1. Okay. So this becomes 4. So this will be 4 lakh. Okay. Then 1.06 to the power 4 minus 1. So here 4 lakh into 1.06 to the power 4, again it is given in the question only. 1.06 to the power 4 is 1.2625. 1.2625 minus 1 again. So 4 lakh into 0.2625. So your accumulated value will be here 4 lakh into 0.2625, that is 1,05,000. 1,05,000. Okay. 4 lakh into 0.2625, and I think so back it is given 10,05,000, which is not possible, because if it is 24,000 and it is accumulated 6 monthly also, then also your this one will be, amount will be near about 1 lakh only, near about 90,000 something. ठीक है, 90,000 समथिंग के नियरली आएगा अगर इसको 24,000 इंटू हम 6 करते हैं, बिकॉज 6 टाइम्स पेमेंट हो रही है, 2 years तक हो रही है, नो 4 टाइम्स पेमेंट हो रही है. सो 24,000 इंटू 4 करते हो तो नियर अबाउट 96,000 समथिंग आता है. ओके, सो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल कि 10 लाख हो जाए अमाउंट, है ना. सो अमाउंट इज 1,05,000 ओनली. ओके, so here I am ending this video. So I have explained to you in this video from question number 1 to 3. Soon I will explain you from question number 4 in my next video. Okay, so I think so all of you understood whatever I have explained. Again, if you have any doubt, please let me know, please ask me. Okay, so bye for now.